a problem from particle dynamics, and particularly it is from vertical motion under gravity. And the problem says that a particle is falling vertically from infinite height in a medium whose resistance per unit mass of the particle is equal to the velocity. Okay, so the resistance force is given by R. If we say the resistance force R, this is equal to V per unit mass. Okay, then the terminal velocity of the particle given by 4 options. We have to find out the correct one. We first know about the terminal velocity, and terminal velocity is also known as limiting velocity, right? And what is terminal velocity? When a particle falls under gravity, okay, in resisting medium, it must be mentioned that it is falls under gravity in resisting medium, okay, and then the maximum velocity occurs when the acceleration of the particle becomes 0, and in this case, that is at that time the velocity of the particle, which is maximum of this motion, is said to be terminal velocity or limiting velocity, right? So we first try to write down the equation of motion. Here, let the particle falls from here, this is the topmost point, let it be A, and let this is the position at time t, and let at time t this is velocity v. Okay, and we know that since the particle under gravity, so always act gravitational attraction, this is mg, vertically downwards, and we know that the resistance force is always act opposite to the motion. So this is the resistance force, and resistance force R, this is equal to V, it is given in this problem. Okay, so if we write the equation of motion per unit mass, dv dt, this is equal to mg, this is positive force because this force along the motion or along increasing distance, okay, and minus this is R, so this is V, and we here put m equal to 1 because we get the motion for unit mass. Okay, now to find out the terminal velocity, we simply put the acceleration dv dt, this is equal to 0, and in this case we get g minus v, this is equal to 0. Let capital V be the terminal velocity, and clearly terminal velocity, sorry, this is v terminal, this is equal to g. Okay, so the terminal velocity of the particle in this motion is g, so our correct option is option number 2. Very simple problem but interesting problem of vertical motion. Okay, thank you for watching.